Hey everyone, robotic vacuum cleaners have come a long way from basic automatic sweepers to sophisticated, nearly fully autonomous cleaning systems, as demonstrated by the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 3. Dreame Technology's goal with this model is to reduce the amount of time you have to think about the device at all, in addition to improving cleaning performance. The robot itself appears to follow a well-known design. It features a LiDAR turret on top of its traditional spherical body, which is now commonplace for sophisticated navigation. Nothing about it appears shoddy or hurried, and the construction feels sturdy. But it's at the docking station that things start to stand out. It's big, intimidating, and obviously designed to accommodate a lot of functionality. The most notable aspect of dry cleaning is the suction power, which can exceed 25,000 pascals. It ranks among the most potent alternatives in the upper mid-range segment, which is a very high number for this category. In practical application, this means that dust, dirt, and even larger particles on carpets and hard surfaces can be confidently picked up. The adaptive behavior is what increases its effectiveness. In order to save energy and minimize noise, the robot doesn't simply operate at full capacity all the time. Edge and corner cleaning has always been one of robot vacuum's main shortcomings, but Dreame has obviously worked to improve that here. Another frequent problem is hair tangling, especially in homes with long hair or cats. The L10s Ultra Gen 3 begins to set itself apart from more basic robots in wet cleaning. It uses revolving mop pads that apply pressure and mimic a scrubbing action in place of a simple drag cloth. An additional level of intelligence is added by the system's ability to change water levels throughout several stages based on how unclean the floor is. Another useful feature is the mop lifting mechanism. The robot elevates the mop pads to prevent soaking them when it detects carpets. The self-service station, however, is this model's true attraction. This is the part that makes the experience nearly hands-free instead of semi-automatic. You won't have to deal with debris after every run because the robot empties its rubbish into a big bag inside the station after every cleaning operation. The degree of automation incorporated into maintenance is what makes it even more remarkable. After cleaning, the station washes the mop pads and uses warm air to dry them in order to avoid bacterial growth and odors. Additionally, it has a self-cleaning mechanism for the base, which eliminates the need for manual maintenance. Additionally, the battery can run for up to 210 minutes on a single charge. That is sufficient to manage big apartments or even houses with several rooms at once. It just goes back to the station, recharges, and picks up where it left off if the power goes out in the middle of cleaning. Another area where the L10s Ultra Gen 3 excels is navigation. It combines LiDAR with 3D object detection to precisely map areas and steer clear of obstacles. The Dreame Home app, which provides a high degree of personalization, controls all of this. Rooms can be divided, no-go areas can be established, cleaning schedules can be defined, and even a robot can be sent to clean a particular area. Ultimately, the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 3 is more about the total automated experience than it is about raw cleaning performance. It feels more like a truly sophisticated home appliance than a gadget, thanks to its strong suction, efficient mopping, smart navigation, and extremely functional self-service station. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.